hello guys. Welcome to today's. Hello, my one viewer. Let's give the others around 6 minutes. We start at 2040 hours. Hello Gitao, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Today it's going to be a short one as well. Yeah, it's going to be a short one. Yeah, so yesterday we did the training for the Web2 work. Although I realized that so for those with the link to the notebook, so I realized T4 couldn't train even with the 20,000. Was it 20,000 and 12,000 split of train and validation split? Yeah, actually, yeah, 10,000, 10,000, 2,000. Yeah, so I created a copy of this myself and trained using a higher GPU. So you can see here it's L4. I honestly don't know how people run this notebook on free tire, to be honest. So I created a copy. And trained for one epoch, and I did two training runs. I did one with an LR of 2e minus 5 and 3e minus 4. Yeah, so we are going to evaluate those models today. Oh, the metrics. I logged the metrics after 500 steps, and the word error rate looks promising. Although maybe this model had been trained in some of this data, so I really don't know. It might look promising, but then it performs poorly. So the score to beat for this session is 0.5587. Remember, this was the baseline score for Alam Shah model, which we further fine-tuned. Yeah, so the score to beat is this right here. Yeah. So I'm going to create a new notebook. Oh, the stream breaks. Why? Why is the stream breaking? Let me see. Oh, it's okay for you, Billy? Exactly. Check your internet. But let me see if the issues. Let me reduce all my tasks. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so yesterday I personally did that, and actually the models are on Hugging Face. If you wanna test them, feel free to go. Yeah, so I trained two models. Okay, I don't know what this one is. Not this, most definitely. I trained two models though. Oh yeah. I trained three models. So one I trained with 2,000 splits. 10,000, 2,000 splits, meaning 10,000 training samples and 2,000 training samples. And the other two I trained using the full data, full training sets, full validation sets. Yeah, so you have these three new models, you can test them. Maybe you're going to test them all on the stream today. And remember, we already have the code for like evaluating for evaluating the models. Yeah, so remember our first ASR video. Yeah, this right here. Go to the description, click on the link. It will take you to the inference notebook. Yeah. But shift this to my the one with the GPU. Okay, nice. Yeah, imagine that's all you're going to do today. So I'm going to start with the one with the best score, maybe. Yeah, this right here, and see if people in I know Guitar usually tests while I'm streaming, so Guitar you can test the others and we'll know the performance. Yeah. So this was the inference notebook that we did the first time, although it needs some changes. Remember this, we were doing a lot of things. We just need to call pipe, to be honest. Yeah, but maybe it might be faster than pipe. Yeah, but let's see. Hopefully it runs. Hopefully it runs. Yeah, let's delete all this now. We don't need that. This we can comment out. Yeah. Only that. Yeah. Actually, if I make the changes, you guys will like find the changes as well, because it's a shared notebook. What the? No, I never wanted to create a copy. Yeah. Wait. Can you people see actually? Nice. So you just change the model name, pick from the three I further trained. Yeah, if these models actually improve the 0.5587 score, then you can fine tune for more epochs. I only fine tune them for one epoch. So you can fine tune for 3 or 2 or 5 if you like, and then experiment with them. Yeah. So I'm just going to run. Make sure it's running on a GPU. Not L4 though, T4, because the requirement, even high RAM is not. The requirement is it should run on a T4 GPU, the normal in free tier. So like we should run it on that. We don't need to do this anymore. Let me see. Speech arrays. Yeah, we don't. Okay, this is too much, man. This is too much. We don't need this step now. What? We just need the arrays, yeah? So, I'm going to copy the pip install that fixed our issue. Remember, this was the notebook with the issue the other time. Yeah, so our notebook that we ran yesterday has the new pip installs. So, yeah. Pip install everything, and we should save this notebook. I mean, this data actually, instead of like download it each and every time. Yes, discussed the code. True. Sampling rates is equals to 16k. This should work now, and actually can print the audio. Yeah. Although it will take time though, but as it takes time, we can run one which I've already done. Like with the saved, I have already saved the audios to my Google Drive myself. So yeah, but we're going to see how long it will take. If it takes too long, we are going to create one with pipe instead of this method. Um, Also, you guys can run it as well, like as I'm running. Yeah, I feel like the changes should reflect. Yeah. One person to run. I don't know why it's. I don't know why it's every time it's saving a copy of it. I don't want a copy, man. I just pin the revision. But anyways, yeah. One of you could try if it's taking too long to evaluate the audio parts. One of you could try because I'm running the first one. I'm running the first one. So one of you could try the second one and another one the third one. Don't try this. This was incomplete. Yeah. Yeah, this was incomplete. I should actually delete this, but yeah, I'll delete it. Um, yeah, so these three right here. These three right here. Nice. But I mean, downloading the test data doesn't take too long compared to like the other one, the training set and the validation one. So yeah, but we should save it actually. We should actually save it. And also for this, we already now have the arrays now. So just go to our favorite Google Gemini and ask it to change the function. I'm too lazy to like. But remember the first time we did this was like it had a lot of errors in our first trade. It's better to write the code yourself, but I'm lazy. I'm lazy today. I lazy AI. Um, but actually we need to like, whoa. Yeah. We need to like, what? I mean, it has loaded so fast, man. It has loaded so fast. Yeah, maybe you don't need to save it. If it's loading this fast, I mean, maybe you don't need to save it, man. Yeah. Nice. So we should pass this to our Gemini to give it context. Um, batch. Yeah. Yeah, because we don't need to do this anymore. Here we were changing the audio bytes because last time, remember, we were facing errors with like casting the audio. Yeah, so now we don't need that because we solved that issue by these installs. And now you can see we get the array instead of the bytes. So we don't need this part anymore. And it was also time consuming, if I remember correctly. So yeah, that saves us on time. Hopefully Gemini will. Oh, so you just need to call batch array, bro. Okay. Yeah, okay. Just that easy. Yeah, we don't need all of this. Oh, wait. No. We don't need this part here. Speech arrays, batch array. Hopefully it works. We don't need this anymore, bro. We don't need that. We don't have the bytes. Inputs, text in the speech array, sampling rates, return chances, padding through, input values, see. Okay. Nice. So we load the model. Yeah, and you can see it's loading now. The model I fine-tuned. Yeah, and this is what we'll be evaluating, man. Okay, transcribe audio. We have our function now. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works, man. Hopefully it works. So fingers crossed. Key error array. Yeah. Oh no. It should be. Wait, this array is part of audio. So we okay, maybe. I'm not sure. Audio array. Let's see. So this was taking the item. Maybe actually we. Maybe no. Maybe this should be speech array. And this should be item because we don't have the bytes anymore. We have the speech array. So item array for item in batch audio. That's your speech array. Yeah. Hopefully we are doing the right thing now. Or we could ask AI again. But it looks like we are doing the right thing. Yeah, it looks like we are doing the right thing. So it looks like we are doing the right thing, but we have to wait for like 14 minutes. Wait. We don't want to wait for that long and then we find that this is not the right way, but I feel like it's the right way actually. Let's ask AI if you are correct. This is not for thinking, but it's thinking a lot. Oh, thinking mode is like activated here. So let's see. You're absolutely right. My apologies. Your suggested corrections are corrected to handle a typical batch from a Hugging Face dataset that has an audio column. The batch object is a dictionary where the key audio holds a list of individual audio items, and each of those items is a dictionary containing the array. Right? Yeah. So we are correct. We are correct. Anyone on the stream who has managed to run it? And now that I'm thinking about it, we don't have to like now use. We don't have to like use pipe. Pipe is actually pretty hard, and like I don't know if someone has managed to make pipe work in a batched way where it's not like sequential. Every time I try to run pipe, it's always sequential. Maybe it's a skill issue. But if you have managed, please let me know in the chat or in the YouTube comments, then I'll ask for your help someday. Yeah. 12 minutes. Munipe stories sasa. Like if you have questions. Or for you not to be bored, please run this with me. If you're facing issues, let me know on the chat. I'll try to help you. Yeah, but you shouldn't face any issues. First, confirm if you can see this change. If you can see this change, then you have the same notebook with me. So you can just run Yeah. And now that I know, there's Billy, there's Jacqueline, and there's Gitao. So those are three models. Yeah. You can test the other models. Yeah. We just have to wait. I'm lost but trying to catch up. Oh, you're lost. Where? Maybe I should share this again on the charts. It should run seamlessly. There's nowhere we are linking Google Colab. There's nowhere. it should run. We are just using the Hugging Face dataset. Yeah, so it should run seamlessly. The same way as the what the Nemo one. Oh, but there an update on Nemo. Hey, I've tried to improve the Nemo model, but yeah, with no success. Where is it, man? Yeah. Come on. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. So the best score I got, even after like retraining the saved models, was like uh was like 0.49873. And even when you look at the predicted, they're actually pretty. Okay. Maybe these are good. But look at these. They're pretty trash compared to like our baseline model, the one we tested, which was like almost perfect. Almost perfect. So there's still some work to do. There's two ways of fine-tuning the Nemo model, sub-1 modeling and character modeling. I've only tried sub-1 modeling because it's fast to train. Character modeling, on the other hand, it's super slow, man. Super slow, bro. Yeah. So I'll try to see. I've not given up on Nemo because there's this there's this there's this yeah, real-time factor, resource efficiency, yeah, and resource restriction. You'll get bonus point if your complete pipeline, including speech recognition and text generation, can run within 4 GB of memory. 4 GB of memory, bro. 4 GB of memory. The only model I've tried that, okay, maybe even Web2Vec. It's only batching which like makes it. Let's see. Yeah, I think batching is the reason why it's at 9.7. But the most resource efficient model I have seen so far, I've tested Whisper, which takes a lot of time, man. Skill issue maybe to perform inference. But I've tried Whisper, I've tried Web2Vec, and I've tried Nemo, and Nemo outperforms all of them, like in the resource efficiency points. But like the resource efficiency points is like 5%. So if your model runs, I don't know. You just try. You just try. Yeah, but just remember you want to be scored only with. In the phase one, you'll be scored using the word error rates, despite of, what you used for inference. But now in phase two, you'll have to like, yeah, make sure your model is resource efficient. Now try to identify coffee farms from satellite imagery. What should you do? Model, etc. That's you have the right audience today. Guitar has given you an answer. Use yellow segmentation model, and we have Jacqueline actually here on the stream. Jacqueline, just Google Amini. They have datasets for satellite imagery, especially for Kenya. They have So you can Google them, find how to access their data, and then once you get the data, uh, yeah, you train a model, use YOLO segmentation to create the masks where the farms are. Yeah, yeah. And I remember they have even coffee data. Correct me if I'm wrong, Jacqueline, but there was like a Zinzi competition where people are tasked to like collect that data. Yeah, so just Google Amini. Amini is one of my favorite companies in Kenya, man. Yeah, yeah. 1 million data points, bro. Yeah. So talk to Jacqueline Vizuri. Yeah, they're a cool company, honestly. Very cool company. We are at 60%. Patience, guys. Patience, guys. Oh, guitar! I just saw, man. Damn. You're going to get to 100 before even you start the competition, man. This is amazing work, bro. Amazing work, man. 95. That's crazy. That's totally crazy, man. Totally crazy. We have not even started the competition, man, but it seems you've already won it. That's crazy. Congrats, man. Congrats, man. Yeah, Brainiac is a tough competitor, man. And actually, this year, damn, I feel like he's the MVP for this year. He has won a lot of competition, a lot of them, being first place, actually. Yeah, so I feel like, yeah. Brainiac is tough. Darius, yeah, is an OG in the competition space. One of the few people I looked up to when I was starting my Zindi career. Him, there was Lawrence. Lawrence was actually my main mentor, my silent mentor. And Assassin, also him, he has like slowed down in the competitions. Um, Plato as well. Hey, Plato, crazy. One of the best competitors. Like I even tell people like when they tell me, "Oh, now that you're number one, you're the best, bro." Like I'm still a noob, bro. Like I'm still a noob. Maybe I got lucky. Maybe I got lucky, but luck is what does that saying go? How does that saying go? Like luck is effort meets preparation, or what? Like reward meets preparation. I can't remember. Yeah. But tough people, man. Like Plato, if Plato was still competing, she will still be number one, man. she'll still be number one. Um, Let me show you her profile. Like, it's crazy, man. Crazy. So when people, I'm not the best actually. Don't be fooled by this. I just got, yeah. Or maybe I participate in too many competition and I never stopped. That's the reason I'm here. But they're tough people, man. Tough people. Brainiac included, Assassin, like, yeah. Plateau. Don't be fooled that she's number 98. She was once number 2 and the best female on the platform. Just look at her profile, guys. I mean, first place, first place, first place, first place, man. Like, man. Yeah. So these are the first people who inspired me when I started Zindi almost 5 years ago. I don't know why she stopped, honestly. I don't know why she stopped. Brainiac, if you see this video, tell her to come back. We need more competition. We need more competition, Brainiac. The same way you came back, we want Plato to come back. We want Assassin to come back. But Assassin also comes back once in a while. But man, that guy is Assassin. This was honestly, he was number one for a very long time. Actually, you'll see. Yeah, he was number one for a very long time. It's just the way he slowed down. Nowadays, he doesn't compete that much. Yeah. But just look, honestly, look at this profile. Like it's all. And you guys tell me that I'm the best, bro. I'm not. I'm a very like. I'm a noob, bro. I'm a noob. I'm still learning. I'm still a student in the game. Student of the game. Student of the game. Yeah. Look at his profile, man. Like first place, first place, first place, first place, first place. Okay, fifth place, first place, first place. Like, look at how many first places are here. And then you come and look at my profile. Okay, I also have first places, but not compared to him. Not compared to him. Yeah, not compared to him. So, yeah. Those are the legends. Those are the legends. Don't be fooled by the points. It's because I'm still active. If they came back, yeah, it will be a tough competition. It will be a very tough competition. Keep on. No, yeah, everyone is starting. I'm also starting. Yeah, like, but don't worry. Keep on pushing. The problem with you, Gitau, and my brother Ronnie, it's you start a competition, then you get lost. Why? I mean, just spare like 2 hours during the weekend if you're very, very busy. Spare 2 hours during the weekend and like 30 minutes per day. And then, yeah, compete. Even if you won't be top 1, just compete to maintain the top 10 position. Because you and Ronnie had potential from a very long time, but then you slowed down. You only participate in like few competitions and then you don't participate anymore. Once you do that, you know the points decay, bro. The points decay. So like there's no way you're going to gain points when you're inactive. Yeah. So keep on pushing, guys. When you start a competition, keep on pushing, bro. No matter the position. Like if you see, it's I don't know why Zindi only shows. Oh, they show more. They show more. If I show you how many competitions I've like literally failed, it's a lot, bro. It's honestly a lot. A lot. Look, like I was 208. This was this year. This was last year, maybe. No, this year, bro. This year, I was almost the last, bro. It doesn't matter how many times you fail. It doesn't. Like, just keep on pushing, man. Keep on pushing. Yeah. So when you get like 208 and you say, oh, this is very bad, I'm embarrassed. What? What? There's still many competitions to come, man. Yeah, so keep on pushing. These are 344. Okay, these were when I was starting. Yeah, but this was my biggest failure this year. Biggest failure. I was like, how many places to last? Yeah, but it never affected me. It never affected me. Yeah. From these, I've won like how many competitions now? Like one, two, three, four back to back. Yeah. So keep on pushing, man. Anyways, the it's finished. Nice. So we just create the submission file. Billy, I appreciate it very much. Where did you guys study all these competitions? Competitions, man. Competitions. Trust me, I never went to any class to learn about this. To be very honest, I never went to. Okay, I did computer science though, and we only had machine learning as a unit, and NLP as a unit as well. Yeah, but I was doing machine learning ever since I was first year. First year with no Python knowledge at all, and I was still doing the competitions. So it doesn't matter. So like do competitions and you'll get very good. You'll be a jack of all trades. Yeah. Yeah. So the score to beat was 0.5587 and it only improved by a little, 0.54. Yeah, still a lot of work to do, bros. A lot of work to do. We still have to get to 0.30. Yeah, we still have to get to 0.30. 0.3. Okay, when you get to 0.3, that will be a win. On stream, that will still be a win. But yeah, our goal is to get here, man. Our goal is to get actually even less than 0.30. Yeah. Has anyone tried the other models, or I should try them? I don't want to try one which is running already. You can update us if you are training the others. If you're not, I'll just run it myself. Yeah, and you can increase the epochs. You can see like now fine tuning the Alamsha model further, it improves slightly. So you can increase the epochs maybe three. Yeah, or you just say F it, man. Let me let me start from scratch. Yeah, you can start from scratch as well. If these baselines don't improve, so I'll run this, and then we call it a day. Start session. Yes. Run cell on below. Run cell and below. So I'll show Billy what I mean. So Amini, the company, has hosted a lot of satellite competitions this year. So you can see how many competitions they have hosted. These, 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 these. All of them are satellite competitions. Now if uh, tell me if you did all these competitions, you started with the first one, and they provide you with like starter notebooks and also webinars. Oh, this was the data collection one. You can see they collected coffee data. So yeah, they indeed have coffee data, so you can talk to them nicely. Yeah. So you start with the first competition they hosted. I think it was this. It was a points one, and they shared a starter notebook. Yeah, you can see a lot of starter notebooks. Imagine if you are a satellite newbie and you came here, picked the starter notebooks. If you don't understand a thing, go to ChatGPT to explain to you as if you're 15 or 12, and then you learn even one concept. The next competition you'll have that new concept, and then you'll build from it. Each and every moment is a learning moment. So if you started here, the first competition they hosted this year, you will gain knowledge to handle most of these new other competitions. Yeah, that's how you learn, honestly. There's no like if you look at even my LinkedIn, I only have one certification, which is okay, not one. I have maybe three. I have a data camp one, Coursera, and an IBM one. But none of those certifications helped me become good in competitions. They only gave me the foundation knowledge. But to get good in competition, you have to do the competitions. You have to read the winning solutions afterwards and reverse engineer them to get really, really good. Yeah, that is the only advice I can give you. Do more competitions. Like, even if you're tired, man, just 30 minutes of your time per competition, yeah, will make you get so good. Yeah. So we'll have to wait again for for another 13 minutes, man. Yeah. Maybe next week we'll start on Whisper as well. Maybe Whisper is the secret sauce. I really don't know. I really don't know. But I'm trying. I'm trying it actually, even right now. Yeah. If it improves the score, I'll definitely do a Whisper session next week. If it doesn't, I'll go back to like training from scratch now. We have tried the baselines. Now they don't improve. Oh, we have not tried like training them for more epochs, but you can try 3 epochs over the night. If it doesn't improve, I'll just have to go and start from scratch again. The good thing with this competition, we still have a lot of time, man. We still have a lot of time. We still have like 2 months to go, so we still have a lot of time to experiment. Yeah, so we are not in a hurry. We are not in a hurry. It's not like the landslide one where we started 8 days to go. Yeah. Billy, there's no easy way, man. You have to suffer. You have to. Everything nice you have to suffer, bro. Everything nice you have to suffer. The sleepless nights. Okay, for me, honestly, I would say I started at the best moment in my life. In high school, not in high school, in campus, I never had anything else to do, bro. Like, I was an introvert first of all, and I never had anything else to do. So most of my time I used to spend them on competition. So I would say I had an advantage. Yeah. Right now, if you're working, it's very hard for you. You have your day job, 9 to 5, and then you have other things. For example, myself, I go to the gym, so that takes some of your time. Then you have like upskilling session. I'm lying. I don't. Okay, maybe. But I have skill doing projects like competitions. For example, the Barbados one. Now I'll be doing LLM stuff. But I was doing LLM stuff in my previous job, so I have that knowledge already. Yeah. So when you're doing competitions and you have a job, and I feel like that's why most people quit. Like for example, Kina Assassin, Plato, Lawrence. It's because they have demanding jobs. They cannot like juggle a job and participate in competition. So I had an advantage. But 30 minutes to 1 hour every day, or even like 4 hours during the weekend, yeah, will help you advance very, very easily. Also, you have to fall in love. You have to fall in love. You have to fall in love. Find a competition that you like really, really enjoy it. Find a competition that you really enjoy it and do it to your best ability. That is the advice I can give you. Yeah. And anyone else who's watching the streams and the replays on YouTube. Joseph, you usually quit because you usually hit the roof at times. The problem is I usually start afresh rather than improve what I already have. Starting afresh isn't bad. Starting afresh isn't bad. I hit the roof also a lot of times. A lot of times. But there's no competition. I haven't done like changes during the last day. Yeah, even if they don't improve the score, like yeah, I just want to know I tried everything and I failed. Instead of saying, "Oh, I gave up too early. Maybe I could have done this," and then yeah, like for example, there was this competition by ITU. It was last year. It was last year. So I had said, I had said I will, yeah. Let me find it. Krishna. Shout out to Krishna, man. One of the cool people also on the platform. Yeah, this energy consumption. So I had said I'll try a neural network. While the competition is ongoing, then ensemble it in a gradient boosted decision tree. And I got lazy and I never did, and it actually messed me up. They won using a neural network, bro. Like ensembling a neural network with GBDTs as well. Like if you look at, yeah, if you look at the notebooks, you have a Fast AI artificial neural network, a Keras artificial neural network, and then they did mean weighted ensemble of the two, and that was the final submission. Imagine. And I remember telling my friends I have to run a neural network, but I got too lazy. Nowadays, hey, I don't leave anything to chance, man. Like I try everything until the last minute. It's better I fail and tell myself I tried everything rather than regretting that I never did the way I regretted in this competition. Yeah, and if I tried a neural network, I'm pretty sure we would have been like top three or something. Yeah. It looks like today is a yapping session. Yeah, I hope like my advice is good enough though. Yeah. We just run this and then we go to sleep now. Or you do one competition. Yeah, we have said. Yeah, we have said you have to spare 30 minutes. So after this you go do a competition for 30 minutes. Even if it's repeating what I'm doing here right now. Yeah. I'm glad you found it insightful, Bailey. I wish there was a way to make this faster, like the Nemo one. The Nemo one is actually resource efficient, it's faster. I have to make that Nemo model perform well. Yeah, and shout out to this guy, Jonas. I don't know what he did in his models, but his models are pretty good. Maybe he has a GitHub. Let's stalk him. Jonas. Yeah, he does. He does. He does. Uh, Conformer PyTorch. Nemo. Nice. Let's see if he has that like an repository for fine-tuning Nemo models. I feel like this one, for example, is nice. Actually, yeah, yeah. He has the code. He actually does. But this is for Kinyarwanda. But you can yeah. Max epochs. You have to train for 100 epochs. Damn, damn. Nice. I'm going to steal all of this, to be honest, because I have a notebook that trains from scratch. So I just need his hyperparameters maybe. Let me see the learning rates he used. He used 0.001. Okay, that makes sense. No, this is weight decay. 0.0001. Okay, nice. Thank you, Jonas. Let me share the link on the. Let me share the link on the chats. And start the repo to show love, because this is cool stuff. And it was 3 years ago, guys. 3 years ago. Vocab size 1024. Okay. Tokenizer. Maybe the tokenizer was the issue. Vocab size, because I'm using a vocabulary size of 55. Because 55 are the unique character sets I found on the trading data. Uh, yeah, maybe I'll talk about fine tuning from scratch in a later stream. But we'll see. I'll do some experiments over the weekend. The experiment that leads to the best score, I'll do the stream on that. Yeah. Thank you, Jonas, for the repo. And it's like he has specialized on TTS mainly. Looks like that is his specialty. And this was 2 months ago. He's still working on them. I mean, he's good. This is good, man. This is good. That's how you do research. That's how you do research. The only reason I've known Jonas is because I went to like the report. We did the baseline thingy because his model was the best actually, and it's what I used in my previous training run in the other competition to improve it actually. So yeah, he deserves. So once you go to his Hugging Face account, thank God he had his link GitHub. Ethiopia NLP. Oh, nice. It's such a huge. Where's Kenya NLP, guys? Where's Kenya NLP, guys? Nice. And they are still doing. They even have lab, guys, bro. We need to up our game, guys. Baza NLP. Oh yeah, it's like that is his specialty actually. STT NLP. Nice. We are at 96%. So hopefully. But this is the last experiment. Then we call it a night. People on the team have this notebook already. but I will link it on the YouTube as well. Yeah, I'll upload the YouTube before the night ends. Shout out to my late viewers. Can see some viewers have joined like maybe in the last 10 minutes. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for the support. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. But I don't think it will get to 0.40. I mean, under 0.4 because we only train for one epoch. Yeah, yeah. This is even actually worse than the baseline. So, guys, thank you for tuning in. This is the last stream of the week. We'll meet each other We'll meet each other next week. Yeah, and I'll do some experiments myself over the weekend and find a model that performs actually well, and then stream that next week. Next week. Yeah, we have to get to 0.3, guys. We have to. We definitely have to. So tune in the next streams. Thank you for everyone who joins my streams, and thank you for the support. If you're not followed me on Twitch, follow me. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Yeah, I'm trying to be consistent. Yeah. So guys, have a good night. Have an amazing night. We'll see each other next week. Adios, guys.